If you produce video content, you'll know that editing is where you're going to lose the most hours. Cutting mistakes, removing filler words, tidying awkward pauses. But what if you could just edit your video like a Word document? I'm Olivia from Style Factory, and today I'm reviewing Descript, the tool that promises to let you do just that. Does it really save time? And can it replace tools like Adobe Premiere? Let's find out. I'll start with the advantages of using Descript. 1. It dramatically speeds video production up. Most video editors make you work on a timeline, dragging clips around, slicing footage, zooming in to trim awkward pauses. Descript takes a completely different approach. Instead of editing video on a timeline, you edit text. Once you upload a recording, Descript automatically transcribes it. And from that point on, your transcript becomes your editing interface. Delete a sentence, and it disappears from your footage. Move paragraphs around, and your video rearranges itself to match. Descript's built-in AI assistant, Underlord, further speeds things up. It automatically removes pauses and filler words, fixes misreads, and generates captions. It can even correct eye contact. In traditional video editing software, these tasks can involve hundreds of individual edits and hours of editing time. Descript does away with all that. 2. It puts recording and editing in one place. Another major strength of Descript is how much of the production process it puts in one place. It lets you record content from your screen, webcam, or microphone directly to the platform. You can invite remote guests to browser-based sessions and capture separate audio and video tracks for each participant. And as soon as recording stops, your files are automatically transcribed and ready to edit. All this means you can move from recording to editing immediately without involving multiple tools. For solo creators in particular, this can make a big difference. 3. It makes producing spoken word content really easy. Descript is particularly well suited to the production of spoken word material. It automatically separates speakers' transcripts, and this allows you to edit what individual contributors are saying really easily. You can also configure Descript so that it automatically cuts to the active speaker. On top of that, Descript can significantly improve the quality of the audio involved. Good audio often separates amateur videos from professional ones. And this is especially the case where spoken word content is involved. But achieving good sound generally requires a solid understanding of EQ, compression, and noise reduction. Descript's Studio Sound tool automates much of that. When you switch this feature on, noise is reduced, vocal clarity is enhanced, and uneven levels are smoothed out. For creators recording in less than ideal spaces, this can make a dramatic difference to audio quality. This combination of easy transcription editing and automated audio improvement makes Descript a useful tool, not just for video production, but for podcasting too. 4. It's great for repurposing content. If you're trying to grow your presence across multiple platforms, repurposing your work is essential. And Descript makes it really easy to turn one recording into multiple pieces of content. Its Underlord AI tool can automatically generate highlight clips from your videos, letting you quickly turn long-form content into short, punchy clips. These are ideal for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. But the platform lets you quickly generate written versions of your video too. It lets you export transcripts in formats like Word, Markdown, or HTML, making it straightforward to turn a video recording into a blog post, show notes, or documentation. And finally, Descript can automatically translate transcripts into multiple languages, further extending your options when it comes to repurposing. 5. It lets you create AI voice clones and avatars. Descript lets you create AI voice clones and AI avatars that can present content for you. With voice cloning, you can type new text and have it generated in your own voice. This is extremely useful for fixing small mistakes, adding extra lines, or updating content without re-recording. Descript's AI avatars go a step further, letting you generate presenter-style videos from text. They're not yet a replacement for high-end studio productions, but they're good for creating training videos, quick updates, or social media clips. 6. It's great for captioning videos. Many people watch videos with the sound off, especially on social media. This makes captions essential, and Descript makes creating them almost effortless. The moment you record or import a video, it generates a transcript, and that transcript becomes your subtitles. You can then edit these captions, style them to match your brand, export them to SRT format, or burn them directly into your footage. Okay, so those are the key advantages of using Descript. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. And if you'd like to try Descript out, I've dropped a special link to a free version of it in the video description. Now let's look at the disadvantages of using Descript. 1. It's not the best option for highly visual or cinematic projects. For dialogue-led content, Descript is fantastic. For visually intricate storytelling, it's less of a natural fit. If your edits rely heavily on cinematic B-roll, layered motion graphics, or complex multi-camera sequencing, Descript's toolset can feel restrictive compared to traditional video editing software. It's not that these things are impossible to do with Descript, but the platform isn't designed with that style of production in mind. As a result, creators working on visually driven or heavily stylized projects may find themselves returning to more conventional video editing tools, which have the added benefit of providing more control over things like color grading, sound, and export formats. 2. Performance can be an issue on larger projects. Descript works well on small to medium-sized projects, but performance can lag when you're working with longer recordings or complex edits. Because it relies heavily on cloud processing and AI analysis, tasks like generating transcripts, applying automated edits, and processing audio can sometimes involve delays. These slowdowns aren't constant, but they can interrupt workflows. It's also worth remembering that Descript can only really be used properly with a fast and stable internet connection. 3. It doesn't eliminate the need for human review. Descript's AI features are highly capable, but they aren't flawless. Its transcription accuracy is generally good, but errors still creep in. Technical terms, uncommon names, or unclear recordings can trip the platform up. This means that the transcripts produced by Descript usually require corrections, especially if you intend to use them for creating video captions, or if you want to repurpose them as written text. The same applies to some of Descript's automated editing tools. Its silence detection and filler word removal features can be helpful, but in our tests, they sometimes went a little too far, trimming pauses that felt natural or cutting words that added emphasis. You can tweak the settings used to trigger gap removal, but getting this to work effectively will involve a bit of trial and error. So, while Descript can dramatically speed up production, it doesn't completely remove the need for human review. 4. Pricing can escalate quickly. Descript's entry-level plans are reasonably priced, and for solo creators working on occasional projects, the platform represents good value. However, some of its most useful features sit behind higher-tier subscriptions. These include access to more advanced brand controls, full translation features, unlimited stock assets, and 4K export options. Descript also uses a credit-based system for some AI features, including transcription and studio sound. If you're producing high volumes of content, you can burn through credits quickly. And finally, teamwork comes at a cost. Each staff member you're working with needs their own Descript license. Okay, so those are the key advantages and disadvantages of the platform to consider. So, should you actually use Descript? Well, here's my verdict. Overall, Descript is a powerful, forward-thinking platform that's particularly well-suited to spoken word video production. Its transcript-based editing model dramatically speeds up workflows, and features like Underlord, Studio Sound, and built-in translation tools make it easy to refine and repurpose content. For YouTubers, educators, podcasters, and businesses creating dialogue-driven videos, Descript is an excellent platform to create work with. Where Descript falls short is in more advanced production scenarios. It doesn't provide the same depth of visual control, plugin support, or export flexibility as dedicated editors like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. And its online-only nature may not suit all users. Ultimately, Descript isn't yet a complete replacement for high-end professional editing software. But it provides one of the easiest and quickest ways to record, edit, and repurpose content. And for many users, will be the only video creation platform they need. If you'd like to try Descript out yourself, you'll find a link to its free plan in the video description. Before you go, we'd love you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. And finally, if you have any questions about Descript, do leave them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.